Hi guys, how are you? Today I am going to make crashed in SolidWorks. We'll learn it. 2017 SolidWorks software. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to file and click new and click part and click OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here and give the dimension rectangle. This line dimension 80 and this line dimension 140. Select. Now draw the again rectangle here, center rectangle, draw, select. Now give the dimension 120 and this line dimension 200. Okay, select. Now go to feature and extrude. Now we need top plane, there are front plane, just change the plane here, click top. Okay, now just this line is sketch, edit sketch. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude 15. Okay, now go to again here and extrude. Just click select contour, this sketch delete. Now click here, keep the below 75. Okay, select. Now go to front plane and sketch. Go to normal tool. Now draw the hair center, draw the hair line and give the dimension 70. Okay, select. Now select midpoint, control this point, vertical. Okay. Now draw the spline. Here click and here click and here select. Now give the dimension, now you can now here draw the again, just move. Now draw the 3-point arc here and here, select here, again here, select and again 3-point arc, this point and this point, select. Now give the dimension, this point and this line dimension 420. Select. Now they are moved. Now you can again Ctrl Z. Now again draw spline. Here click and here and here and here. Select. Now give the dimension this point and this point 420. Okay, select. Now you can move here. Okay. Now give the dimension this point and this point 215. Now this point and this point distance dimension 52 and this point and this point dimension 55 okay. Now there are need or dimension, just check here. Check here. Control Z. Now give the dimension here. This point and this point dimension 105. Okay. Now again give the below this point and this point. This line and this line dimension 55. Okay, 55 this point and this point dimension. Select 55 dimension. Okay. Now go to here 3 point R, this point and this point. Select. Now give the R dimension. 500. Select 500. Now again here 3 point R, this point and this point. Select. Now these are dimension 320. Okay, select. Now go to again 3 point R, this point and this point. Select. Now give the dimension 135. Okay. Now give the dimension this point and this point dimension 90. Now this point and this point dimension 173. Now this point and this point dimension 25. Okay, 25. Now this point and this point dimension 75. Okay, select. Now make our job. Now go to fillet. You can have fillet 10 and hair. Okay. Now go to again Ctrl Z. Now they are fully defined. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude. Now extrude 10. from mid plane. Okay, now go to here fillet. Now here select here and here. You can fillet 5 or 3 as well as. Okay, go to isometric view, make our job. Now this plane and sketch, go to normal tool, and draw the spline here, here and here and here. Select. Now you can give the dimension as well as give the dimension below. This point and this point distance 154 and this point and this point dimension 82. Okay, now you can this point and this point distance 62. I have no need fully define, or you can as well as this point and this point, no need. This point and this point dimension same, this point and this point dimension same, this point and this point same, no need. This point and this point dimension. Okay, now this spline center line, make the center line. Now go to text, select this center line, just here right, view world, World Cup champion, CAM PION champion 2018. Now here point, give the value 80. Now just here space. Okay, make this space. Okay, now go to feature and exit rep. Now here just click here, one rep, emboss one. Okay, okay, now go to here, this plane. Now draw the circle here, draw the circle here, select, make this center line. Now you can write here text, you can write here anything, you can write Roman, you can reverse reverse, and here okay. Roman, I can write Roman. Roman, right, give the below and 50 now you can add it 40. Okay, now go to feature again, exit, wrap, click here. Okay, now go to isometric view. Now here select materials. Now select the organic, just select here. Okay, now you can give the color here, give the color, this right color wrap, this wrap color black. Okay, now this wrap color red or green as well as give the color red almond. Now you can color, give the color here and body. Okay, make our job. Organic. You can give this color. Give the color art. Okay, with the color you can any color use. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If you have any ask you can write comment box.